standing and staring, and I'm hoping somehow this will all work out. I'll remember living and laughing. Just know that I tried here, but I could learn to love the life I was leading. It just left me needing all that I stand for. It just left me wanting. Lord, there's a runaway train. I might be crazy to jump on. The risk I'm taking can't go wrong. It's far too late, I'm moving on. There's a runaway train. I might be lost, but I know this time I'm gonna run into the headlights. You can't hold me back, I got one last chance. Yeah, I can see through all that they said to you. The next thing I know, you took their lies and made them true. 'Cause it sounded better to you, and I could already see it. Now I'm torn up and bleeding. 'Cause I gotta go, but no one's ever been so close. There's a runaway train. I might be crazy to jump on. The risk I'm taking can't go wrong. It's far too late, I'm moving on. There's a runaway train. I might be lost, but I know this time I'm gonna run into the headlights. You can't hold me back, I got one last chance. Said we don't belong here, and to do what I tell you to. I'd rather die trying than lose. There's a runaway train. It might be crazy to jump on. The risk I'm taking can't go wrong. It's far too late, I'm moving on. There's a runaway train. I might be lost, but I know this time I'm gonna run into the headlines. You can't hold me back, I'm gonna take this one last chance. There's a runaway train.
This dance is called Runaway Train, choreographed by Bennett. It's a 64 count, 2-wall intermediate level line dance. Section 1, starting with the right foot. Side rock, recover, cross shuffle. Side rock, recover to a quarter turn to right, forward shuffle. Section 2, walk, kick, ball change, rock forward, recover, coaster, step. Section 3, step, pivot, half turn to right, step forward, half turn to left, make another quarter turn left, side, touch, side, chassé. Section 4, sailor step, cross, quarter turn left, side rock, recover. Section 5, behind, hold ball cross, side, rock back, recover, quarter turn to right. Section 6, cross rock, recover, shuffle, quarter turn to left, shuffle, half to left, shuffle, half to left. Section 7, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, side rock, recover to a quarter turn to left, walk. Last section, step, pivot, quarter turn to left, cross, shuffle, side rock, recover, behind, side, cross. And you start over again. Now let me go the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 whole 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 好，现在我来为大家用中文讲解。第一个八拍右脚开始，旁旁跨恰恰，旁右转前恰恰。第二个八拍走走，踢回前，前回后并前。第三个八拍前往右边，后转前往左边，后转再个左转以后旁点旁恰恰。第四个八拍左 sailor 右 sailor 跨左转旁旁。第五个八拍后停旁跨旁后回右转右转。第六个八拍跨回旁并左转，再继续往左边转180 180。第七个八拍 jazz box 跨后旁跨旁左转走走。最后一个八拍前左转跨恰恰旁旁后旁跨，然后再重新开始。